Hello everyone, this is Dr. Bin Chaudhary, and in this video Zygem Jumbolenum medicine. So we will be talking about the Zygem Jumbolenum medicine, that what are the uses of this medicine. We will be covering entire topic, uses of this medicine, from where you can buy this medicine, what are the benefits of the medicine, and we will be talking about in brief type 2 diabetes mellitus, because this is given in the type 2 diabetes mellitus. So before talking about the medicine, we will be talking about type 2 diabetes mellitus. Our blood glucose level is maintained and regulated by the insulin, and insulin is secreted by and controlled by your beta cells of your pancreas. So if there any kind of abnormality, either the insulin is not secreted enough, there is a lack of secretion in the insulin, or body is not being able to use it properly, there is no proper utilization. Either there is a no formation or there is a lack of formation of the insulin, or secondly body is not utilizing it, means body is resistant to use the insulin. So both case can happen. The first case is type 1 diabetes mellitus, in which you have either the lack of insulin, your beta cells are damaged and they are distracted and they are not producing enough insulin. In the second case, you are having enough insulin, but the body is not using that properly. The case so this medicine is given in the type 2 diabetes mellitus. If you have the second case, that you are having enough of insulin but your body is not utilizing it properly. So this is the case of type 2 diabetes, the best medicine in type 2 diabetes mellitus. So type 2 diabetes mellitus, the diagnostic criteria is your overnight fasting, your blood glucose level is more than 125 or more than one occasion. So to cross check that, so we confirm the diagnosis of that this is the case of type 2 diabetes mellitus. So now let's talk about the medicine. See, this is the medicine Zygem Jumbolenum, and this is the homeopathic medicine, right? And this is given in the type 2 diabetes, as we already discussed, and this medicine is in the tablet form. You can see this is the tablet form of the medicine. So now we will be talking about the indication of medicine, that in what all problem you can use this medicine. So this is the main medicine for type 2 diabetes mellitus, and what all symptom you have in type 2 diabetes mellitus, like you have polyphagia, there is a your appetite is increased, your hunger is increased, you have meal craving, you have hunger pangs, or if there is a polydipsia, you have increased thirst is there, and there are polyuria, you have frequent urination and the amount of urine is also increased. So in that case you can use this medicine. These are the symptoms of type 2 diabetes mellitus. So these all are symptoms of, and you can use this medicine in that case. Even if you have, see, type 2 diabetes mellitus have more complication, so you are supposed to use medicine as early as possible, because there are severe complication, like if you don't treat the type 2 diabetes mellitus, there can be neuropathy, there can be retinopathy, there can be nephropathy, there can be kidney damage, retina damage, there can be non-healing skin ulceration. So better to treat this problem as we already informed you. So these are the symptoms, these are the indication of the medicine. You can use this medicine in all these problems, right? So you are having skin problem, you are having urine problem, and there is an increased amount of blood sugar, there is an increased amount of the urine sugar, so you can use this medicine. Now the doses of the medicine, that how you are supposed to use this medicine, and what are the proper sufficient doses. See, doses completely depends on the case history, that how severe, how worse is your case, and what is the normality you are having. So this is the tablet form medicine. You can take this medicine with or without water. If you are comfortable without water, you can consume it without water, and if you are having trouble while having direct medicine, you can add some 1 or 2 tablespoons of water. You can dissolve the medicine and you can use in this form also. So you can use this medicine twice or thrice, 2 tablets twice or thrice before meal, before 30 minutes or before 1 hour. You can consume this medicine on a regular basis, like for 2 to 3 weeks, like 2 to 3 months. It completely depends. Once you get your symptoms better, your all suffering get better, your case is improved, you can decrease the amount of the medicine, you can decrease the doses, but you are supposed to continue. You are not supposed to discontinue medicine all of a sudden. There can be tapering. You can decrease the doses of the medicine, and you can use this way. The medicine will have the doses of the medicine. Now we will be talking about the price medicine. See, price is 150 rupees. This is for 150 rupees, and It depends from where you are buying the medicine, from which the source of the buying of your medicine. If you are watching on YouTube channel, we have provided the link of the medicine in the description box. You can buy this medicine from there and you can start your treatment. So it completely depends. And this is we already informed you that this is the homeopathic medicine, and the homeopathic medicines are only available at the homeopathic online store, homeopathic pharmacy, homeopathic clinic and homeopathic doctors. So homeopathic medicines you can buy from there. So we have discussed about the MRP, and so hopefully this video can help you. For more, like the video, you can share the video, and you can subscribe our YouTube channel. You can subscribe and you can press the bell icon to get notified, to get all the notifications. So thank you for watching. Thank you so much.